I recently went out to Stanford Mall in the local neighborhood to check out how California is opening up. I took the RICOH THETA X, taking some beautiful 360 video in 5.7K resolution, which is a new feature for the RICOH THETA. This outdoor shopping mall is very bustling on a weekend. It's hard to imagine that it's actually the middle of winter here in California. Definitely feels like summer. It's perfect time for some outdoor activities and to get some exercise going here. What a great day. The weather was also fantastic. It's just, you can easily walk around, the shops are open, you can eat. I actually didn't go into any of the shops, but it looks good. I'm primarily going here for exercise, so we bring a distance meter and we walk maybe about 1.5 to 2 miles through the mall as a form of exercise. And in this way, we get to see how the city is doing and how it's recovering after the business did slow down under COVID, but it is back. We're also not here at the peak time. So I imagine that's even a little bit more bustling than it when it's during the peak time. I haven't been to many of these shops in quite a long time. It looks good. Families are out with their children. Everyone looks happy and just getting outdoor on a beautiful day.